Open this one.
Oh, Jessica,
No, that isn't for you, I don't think. Go put it back.
The baby.
No,
Look, she's jealous of the doll.
She is jealous the doll's going to get her blanket.
She wants that blanket, and she's not going to share it with that doll.
That is too cute. And did you wrap your baby in the blanket?
No.
Grandma, you didn't need to get her the baby doll. She just wants the blanket. Oh, but the dolly's yours, too. It's your dolly. It's your baby. It's your baby. That's my girl.
Jake's just going to play with this olive on his finger.
For the helicopter.
Oh, I love you, Jen.
You hit her lip a little bit, Jen. Did Daddy get your owie? It's your baby. It says Mama. You're its Mama, Jess. When it says Mama, it means you. You're its Mama.
Sure would like it if this was
Mama, I
open.
want to open another present. Please? I want to right now. Please?
Baby, the dog. She's afraid it's going to steal her blanket.
I want to open a present right now.
Oh, Jim, she's going to hate the doll. She just does not want this doll near her blanket. Look at her. She's up to her blanket. No, she'll cry.
We have sung some of
She's worried the doll's going to get her blanket. We're going to have to put the doll away for a little bit. This is your blanket. You love it. Just yours. Perfect for you.
I've got to get a copy of this, Marcy.
Baby's
crying.
Baby's crying.
It's going to
Is that your baby? Jess, where's your baby? Where's your baby?
You gonna wrap your baby in the blanket? Can you put the blanket on your baby? She's cold. No, okay.
What would that do?
Jordy's not going to put it on the floor. He's going to run around the house with it going because the thing. I'm really happy that goes around. I didn't know it would. It didn't say.
See, and the thing is he loves helicopters. He loves
Little boys
helicopters.
his age usually do.
Jordy, do you like the gift Jessica got?
What?
Here.
Oh, look at that tree.
Look under here. The horses. The horses.
Yeah, look how cute. Don't touch him, Jake. Aren't those pretty?
Yeah.